Hello class, and welcome to Reality Bites from Module 7. We are really close to the finish line, so we're going to take a look at this week's big assignment, and then we're going to apply that to real life. And of course, we're going to look at the final project submission, part 2. Your presentation, you've already done the rough draft for this, so there shouldn't be a ton of work this week, except for really fine-tuning things. A couple things about fine-tuning. Make sure that you have quality visuals, not blurry visuals. Look for higher resolution visuals. That'll help. You also want to make sure that you're using the speaker notes feature in PowerPoint or Keynote. You know, when you're presenting, you'll show your slide to the audience, but you'll actually be able to, on your computer, look at the speaker notes, the notes feature, and both Keynote and PowerPoint have notes. You can include your notes in there. There are reference points. You can include your outline sections in there that correspond to the slide. So it really makes it a lot more professional in that sense. But that's part of this is to design to get you to use regular presentation software so that you familiarize yourself with it. So that's really the point here. You've already got all the work in. I'm grading all of this, and hopefully we'll be done by tomorrow night. You keep on checking to see if your project has been graded and apply any of the feedback, and you'll be set. But this is really one of those real-life experiments. A lot of times, classwork only applies to classrooms, at least on the obvious surface, and you have to realize that it's going to translate to skills later on. But this final project presentation actually applies to presentations in the real world. So I want you to think about your audience. Imagine who you'd be presenting this to. Think about maybe your classmates and all these kind of terminologies, but you realize that you, in this sense, as the presenter, are the expert. So you want to be able to break it down so that the audience understands. So it's that whole keep it simple method. You know, keep it simple, keep it focused, keep it direct, but finally, make sure you cover all your bases. Make sure you go back into the rubric and have everything that the rubric asks for. It should go through a logical progression. The rubric tells you what that progression should be, and if you include your speaker notes, you'll be fine. But this is going to be something that will reveal to the world your competency, your ability to follow directions, your ability to put together something and make it meaningful and informative for others. So I hope that helps. Email me if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you online. There's not much time left, so let's finish strong. Talk to you soon.